Hi, good morning, good day. Welcome to our global webinar, Real-Time Daily Trading Ideas. We have 5 days a week, 5 different traders. We will speak about trading ideas, strategies, market screen, and maybe 1 or 2 questions from your side that will be answered in our webinar. Our goal is quick and smart, so let's have a nice start like every day. And today, it's Wednesday, 19th of September 2018. Welcome to Admiral Markets. We will start like always with our disclaimer. Forex and CFDs are complex instruments and come with a high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. If you're a starter, please start with a demo account and make yourself familiar with long trading, short trading, leverage trading, and your personal risk management. If you'd like to read the full risk disclaimer, just visit one of our web pages, for example, admiralmarkets.com, and you will find everything in the long version there. If you would like to see some other information, like for example, the key information documents, the kits, also them, of course, are to find on our web pages like admiralmarkets.com. Also there you will find some information about the different offers between retail clients and professional clients. Since August 2018 in the European Union, we have different offers and different regulation. Retail clients can choose a maximum leverage up to 30. Professional clients can still, if they are eligible, get a higher leverage up to 500. There are some more differences, for example, the margin requirements. Let's make a picture from it, DAX 30 or euro dollar. You see the margin requirements as a retail client and as a professional client. It could be 24 euro for DAX 30 or 600 euro, similar for euro dollar. But there are also some advantages for retail clients. Retail clients will get an unlimited protection against negative balances. Professional clients will get it up to 50,000 British pounds. What is around about 70,000 euro according to our negative balance protection policy. Check all that out, the plus points and minus points via our webpage. Here you will see the direct link also. This is me, my name is Jens. My English is made in Germany. I'm the German guy from Admiral Markets. We are a big international broker. We have over 18 country offices. So check out your local office. If you have questions, you can check out our regional client support. But I'm not the main speaker. The main speaker is the day trader of today. This is our scheme. On Monday, it's Jay's day. On Tuesday, it's Paul's day. On Wednesday, like today, it's Giancarlo's day. On Thursday, it's Marcus' day. On Friday, it's Dirk's day. Our leading day traders live every business day, every trading day to the same time. And of course, if you like to trade Forex and CFDs, you will get many benefits only with us. For example, DAX 30 or also euro dollar, triple spread of just 0 to 8 points or pips during main trading hours without additional commission. Also here, all details on admiralmarkets.com. And if you'd like to contact us, you can call us or you can send us an email or YouTube or Facebook, many channels to Admiral Markets. Thanks for listening to me. And now it's time for our day trader of today. This is Giancarlo Pisco. Hi, good morning, good day. What's your view to the markets today?
Good morning, gents. Good morning, traders. Today we have a lot of very important macro data to analyze. First one, we have just assessed the data about inflation rate in UK, and is up of expectative. So we will take a look at pound in a few minutes. Today we have to take a look at building permits at half past 2. In the USA, we also have a Mario Draghi speech, but we have also to have a focus about a crude oil stock exchange, because we are very important zone that we take a look after. Before to continue, I would like to remember that yesterday the market focused on trade war between USA and China, because yesterday China instituted new tariff in USA goods about something like $60 billion against the $2 billion of imports from China that will be effective from 24th of September for each country. The difference that we have to understand, so I think this is the details that avoid a crash in the market, is that Trump put the percentage of tariff from 20% to 10%, and China do the same. So I can understand that in this month, before the 1st of January, when this tariff will come to 25%, we have to understand that the market, we have to understand that China and USA try to find some point to arrange this situation. Meanwhile, we have to maintain the focus about this trade war, but at the same time, don't forget that next week we have the Federal Reserve meeting, and I think that the market is underpricing the number of rate hike for next month. I will speak about this problem next Wednesday, because we can tell something about what we expect from Fed next month, Wednesday. Meanwhile, we have a very interesting day in Forex, and so I start with pound, because the data of 2.7% respect of 2.4% respected give us this sort of a breakout. This very important level in our smart money zone on 1.3172. So now we can expect more power in the pound that, as you know, live a very complicated situation due to lack of contract between European Union and UK about the question of services. So for now, I would like to suggest to maintain a long view in pound. Even I have to be honest that you can assist in every moment at some pullback, or it's very vulnerable in this moment. The pound, we can have a move down of 100 pips. So in this case, I have to suggest to maintain a lot of attention. You can understand what's happened in this pound, in this pair, due to a lot of shakeouts and volatility. For now, we maintain the long view. For me, 1.3074 is very, very important support, that if we maintain this smart money zone, we can maintain the long view. We have here a principle of breakout. So my idea is to wait at least this pullback to understand if today we can restart a new uptrend with target in 1.3254 and in extension here in 1.3281. We maintain buy opportunities today if the price maintain this zone of 1.313025. For short, I suggest to wait, of course, to take a look if this support will be breakout or maintained. We are going now to take a look at euro dollar, because in the same time, euro dollar, after Mario Draghi's speech of the last ECB meeting, I have seen a lot of difficulties from Mario Draghi for the question received from journalists. Okay, we have assist and just a stop of increase of dollar due to trade war 2. Today, we are very, very near to break out this trend line. So my suggestion is to maintain high attention today, because a strong breakout of 1.171425 could open very interesting buy opportunities, with first target in 1.1750. And in extension, we would like to try in next days to reach the zone of 1.178718. So we can expect, of course, a lot of choppiness and a general aggravation in this pair if we maintain this congestion in the USA-China trade war, because you know that in European country we have the same problem. So this is my idea for this today and for the rest of days. For the short side, I suggest to maintain a higher attention if the price break out our support here in 1.1643. Of course, if the price break out the psychological support in the short term in 1.16, in this case, we can have an open and a selling opportunity high until 1.1581 and in extension until this zone. Now we are going to take a look at dollar yen because we maintain the price below up 111.95, our level suggesting the past weeks to as a point of buy. And this morning at 8:12, we have a conference of Bank of Japan, and I am very surprised because the import-export Japanese data are very, very good. So we can expect a more depreciation in the yen, and probably dollar yen in next days and weeks we can start a new uptrend. Meanwhile, I strongly recommend to take a look if the price maintain this level. In this case we are speaking about 111, and we would like to have a breakout of this level. My idea is to arrive in this resistance, and in case of breakout, we start a new uptrend until 113, and in extension here. This is my target, my last target in from May. So take a look of what's up with dollar, because we can have a very, very interesting buy opportunities. I would like to take a look rapidly to euro yen, because we can assist at double bottom here in between May and August. And now we are very near to have a great breakout of this very, very important level of 132. If the price break out this zone, due to the good situation of Japanese economy, we can have a new long opportunities in middle term with first target our 144, and in extension 135.85. This is a smart money zone. They put high pressure, and price seems to be ready to break out this zone and start a new bullish trend. So take a look at this level in next days, because it's very interesting opportunities. Meanwhile, I would like to remember that we have a complicated situation here in the dollar, Canadian dollar, because after the NAFTA, after the meet of the tariff between the USA and Canada, the price started by climax. So in this case, I suggest to take a look what's happened today, because in case the price going below 1.2910, we can have a great possibility of downtrend. Meanwhile, until the price remain below this level, remember the trend is bearish. Now we are going to take a look at indexes. We can start with Standard & Poor's. As we know here, we have assisted in the last session a great reversal yesterday. We are very near to break out our support in 2,877, and the price do a great climax and start to going up with a lot of volume and volatility. We are a very, very important resistance, that is 906. You remember that I suggest to wait the price break out this level of 925 to start a new uptrend. But for now, I think that on Monday, Standard & Poor's reached the minimum of week, so I would like to suggest to wait at least some pullback to use for buy opportunities. Meanwhile, take a look today at this zone of 906, because a daily close up this level could open the touch for this week of 917, and in extension this level. In case Standard & Poor's reach this zone and maintain in October, we have a great probability to touch the 3,000 level. The short are suggested only if the price at least break out this level for this week, but most important remain 877. Now we are going to take a look at Nasdaq, because we are here very important situation, because the price could be have a great directionality for next days. The microchip markets are very good, and they help the Nasdaq push up. We have to we have to assist at least the breakout today of this resistance here in 536, because in case the price break out this level, we can have a new uptrend, and we can try to reach this level for this week. Nasdaq is very volatile these days, and you can assist at 100 pips movement in few minutes, so take a lot of care. But for now, we remain, of course, in all American index remain a bullish view from short, long term, medium and long term, and I suggest to prepare some sell entry only if the price break out just the minimum of last session here in 388. Until the price is maintained this zone, the view is bullish. Now I would like to speak rapidly about Bitcoin, because we from the 1st of June we have assisted long-term accumulation. The price maintain our zone of 6,138. Of course, we don't have any good signal on the side of buy opportunities, because I need at least the breakout of this level, but I suggest to take a look for next month, because if this zone maintain, we can assist an explosion of price in uptrend. So first one I suggest for next weeks to take a look if the price remain at least up of this level of 6,844. Now we are going to take a look at oil, because the trade war effect, of course, on oil, and we can have a lack of demand. And of course, I remember that this Sunday we have an OPEC meeting. So today the data of half past 4, if present data up or down the expected data, could give us a lot of volatility. In my opinion, we have here we are in a very complicated zone, because it's $70 is psychological zone, and I need a great power in the market to have a breakout of this zone. So today I suggest to see some buy opportunity if the price at least break out this zone of 17.50, but the most important for me is the breakout of this resistance. We have a great block here between 71.53 and 72.08, and the price could have a great sell-off if we remain below 69.30. You can understand that here we have a lot of volatility due to the situation of OPEC and trade wars. So take a lot of care, because the price has present a lot of shakeouts and a lot of volatility. So my idea is that we have some good buy sign in the medium term, but we need the breakout, of course, you can understand, of this level to start a new uptrend. Until we don't have some better information about the Iran sanction, the decision of OPEC, of course, how move the trade war, you will see a lot of volatility inside the oil markets. Thank you very much for your attention, and I am at your disposal for any question if we have time. Thank you.
We are done for now. Tomorrow is another day. We have 5 days a week, 5 different traders. So if you like our real-time daily trader ideas, just joining us tomorrow to the same time. And if you like to see and watch that again from now, couple of hours later, usually all our webinars will be as a recorded video on our YouTube channel. Just go to youtube.com/AdmiralMarketsFX and you can see and watch it as often as you want. Greetings from Berlin office from Admiral Markets. Thanks to Giancarlo and hope to see you all tomorrow again. Bye-bye and all the time, good trades.